Welcome friends to my channel. So friends, in this video we have a review. The coolest GM I think project that called Bitcraft anyway. Friends, this is a gaming industry where the project has collected for a minute. Friends, 22 million. $22 million from giants like a 16Z and other big projects. So friends, we have a game theme. Bitcraft, we fly in here, we go to the section quest, and here's where we just put our horse. Ordnance horse Twitter, then we join one tweeter group in the second group. Tweet it, retweet it, and watch the video. Here's theirs on the tube. It's a very interesting video. Musical note, the video on Nello's internship musical note. Musical note and me musical note. I'm going to subscribe. Friends, I suggest you go here. Musical note, get a very good investment musical note. A good feed, so don't. Let's skip and earn these. Community XP. Friends, we just need to get in. On the link to insert comments. Your email go to. Mail comes. This is the link login to Bitcraft Online. Here we click here. Second link go and we are friends. Verify in this. We'll make up our own nickname. Any nickname. Enter it. Save it. Save it. Friends, and get to this window of our cabinet. Go to the quest section, friends, and do these simple quests. So, friends, I advise you not to miss out on this movement. $22 million investment. That's saying something. Says something. So I advise you not to miss it. You can do 2 and 3 accounts. I'm going to make 2 accounts, folks, because I also have this thing called browser. Dolphin is, you can make 10 free accounts. I'm going to make 2 accounts on the main account and 1 here. I'll make friends. Why not? Why not? Musical note, friends, fly in musical note. Comments, do free activities in the project. Bitcraft, and hope for a very tasty airfield from these guys. So the investment already very decent. Everything, friends, nothing complicated. If you're interested, fly in, work, and thank you all for attention. Bye, everybody. Goodbye.